Traders, if you have a look through my videos, I was talking about this, the NAS100, and at the time it was pretty well range bound, and I mentioned that I was looking for some sort of volatility and then a break. We had one break here, and then yeah, it's getting really tricky these days, guys. And then we had this stop run, and then this move here, getting really tricky insofar as the usual pattern that I'm looking for is you get the range and a bit of a fake out, shake out, and then you get the move. So I'm looking at the range, the fake out, the shake out, and then this here was a double whammy. Generally, it's this move here drawing in sellers, stops go up, and then they tank it. But look what they do. This is set up by the algos. A lot of people know about this price action. It starts to trend down, and a bunch of people jump in here, stops above. Look what they do. The markets are really, really tough sometimes. So, you're going to have to wait for clean price action in terms of, well, look how whippy this is. And there's no real lower high, lower low. I mean, look, let's just do a replay and try to get a sense of, what may have taken place if we were looking at the charts. So we'll play that, okay? So I'm looking for the range, the this move here, this move here, and then I'm looking for displacement after the run on liquidity. I'm looking for the displacement. In other words, I want to see a long thin candle. All right, so do they give us that? Let's just take it down to, one arm might be a bit slow. We'll go 3 and run it. So we're looking for, okay, see this thin candle here? That's tricky because it's displacing, but we're getting an immediate retraction, right? So there's no imbalance that's sitting there waiting for this to. This is generally what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the displacement, and then and then it comes back up into the imbalance, and and then we're away. That's generally what I'm looking for. So look, we'll go down to a 1 times multiplier. Look at that. So it displaces, immediately pulls back, right? We're not getting the imbalance, guys. It's not there. So there's no opportunity yet. We need the imbalance, and the imbalance being, well, this here is an imbalance, right? So I'm looking for the break of market structure and the imbalance that comes with it. This is not a break of market structure either, by the way. Well, not a break of market structure, because it's just an equal low. So, we could do that, right? So we don't see the BOS, right? The break of structure yet. So this is still whipsawing back and forth, trades up, and then I'm always looking for, like I was looking for a short. That is displacement, big time. And our imbalance, right? So I'm looking for that. This is big money loading up in here, looking to distribute. And this is where they reach into these buy stops that are sitting up in here. They hit that, and there's a massive amount of liquidity sitting there that enables them to pair their orders. Down it goes, right? Let's go have a look at this. Where does it go from here? And it trades south with a vengeance, right? And that's your opportunity to get short. Now, I would be inclined to consider this as a target, right? So now we're seeing the break of market structure. This here is a break of structure. So we could definitely mark that. And now we're looking for a sell opportunity. Where? Well, I mean, anywhere in here, but I would expect this to be a potential target. So if I'm going to sell, let's say, it broke it here, it retraced back up. I'm looking for the short. My stop would go above that, at least above the this imbalance, right? And I mean, it's risky. It can trade back into it, but that's how I would be looking to get involved with this. So and now let's look for another opportunity. Let's just play that, because I can't remember how it turned out. All right, hang on a sec. Well, to our target, what do we got here? 1.5. There's 2R. Let's just finish the replay here. All right. Oh, okay. Well, look at that. See, 2R reached. Very nice, right? So now I'm looking for another opportunity. Understand that this imbalance is still unresolved, and that could be a target for this to reach back into it. So be really careful. If you're looking to short, this is counter trend. If you're looking to short this, be really, really careful. Yeah. We're going to have, well, look, it's NFP tonight. I wouldn't even touch it, to be honest. But, yeah, and you might see it spike back up into NFP. So the opportunity I would be looking for this, if you want a counter trend, would be possibly it trades back up, it hits the imbalance and ranges a little bit, and then we get it again, the fakey, shaky chart pattern. That's the only chart pattern I'm really interested in. Apart from maybe a 3-drive pattern. I quite like the 3-drive, but look, that is a possibility, and I wouldn't touch it today, right? Monday, okay, after NFP, if this plays out and we it ranges, it breaks, and we see a break of the low, that could possibly be an opportunity to get short. But I'm, I don't know. I'm not that invested in shorting the stock markets at the moment because they're pretty bullish, right? So this could just be a bit of a Friday run on liquidity. All right. So just be really, really careful, guys. You got to wait for the break of market structure like this, that the imbalance, the displacement, that kind of thing, and then the possibility then you get short. But yeah, I'll rub that out because you want to be very, very careful with this. That's a bit of a thing. Anyway, an update on the NAS. And look, guys, this could roll over here and trade south. Again, you don't want to get caught. I wouldn't trade that today. I am interested in a gold opportunity, XAU USD, just a short-term scalp day trade, and I'm willing to take the risk on that, close it at a loss or pull the stop loss to break even, whichever comes first. All right, guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Definitely comment. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one. Take that out.